Hey guys, this is Cactus Uncle and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you like the easiest, quickest method I've found to plant bigger, taller columnar cactus. This one's a Trichocereus Terscheckii, but it's also going to be good for medium-sized saguaros, big Mexican fence posts, anything that's like 3, 4, 5 feet tall. This method is very effective. So I'm using an old 1/4-inch irrigation tubing right here, and I've just kind of got it like wrapped around the top of the plant, and that's only to manipulate it. It's not to like protect my hands or anything. That's just so I can manipulate the top of it without it snapping in half. I'll save this old box. It's kind of cool. We can make something fun with this little succulent garden. And then here you see I have two grab points. One is the irrigation tubing up top, and the other is just going to be the root ball. There's no spikes there, so you shouldn't have any problem. I know I'm not wearing gloves, but you probably might want to. I just have experience with it. But I already put some dirt in the bucket because I don't want to bury it too deep. So now I'm going to manipulate it and try to straighten it out a little bit before I start adding the soil. So it's easier with two people because somebody can manipulate, especially if it's a bigger plant than this. This is doable with one person, but if it was much taller or heavier than this, might need a second person, one person to shovel the dirt and one person to manipulate and make sure the cactus is straight. The dirt we're using is very quick draining cactus mix. It's got plenty of inorganics in it, like little pieces of perlite and little rocks and everything from that. I do make this mix myself. I'll have to make a video eventually on how I do that for you guys. Here I'm just kind of manipulating it to make sure it's at least straight up and down. And so kicking it, you can actually see it happening. It settles the dirt in there really well and makes the plant more stable. So here I'm just trying to get the dirt worked in all around it. And then just a little bit more dirt, and then I'll pack it down real nice. I get a lot of questions about what's the easiest way to plant one of these big tall cactus and what are the best gloves to do it. And I always tell people if your plan was to grab the top of the cactus even with gloves, you've already made your first mistake. So I just wanted to show this creative method with you guys. It really helps putting them in a pot or putting them in the ground, especially if they're tall and heavy. I plan on doing more videos about how to do like a big unruly prickly pear and how to do a big cholla. So I'll post some more content for you guys with just like helpful tips on how I get these into the bucket every time. Yeah, so I appreciate you guys watching. Here's the finished product. It's a nice little Trichocereus Terscheckii. Also guys, I'm really trying to grow out this page and I can't do it without your help. So if you have time, like and subscribe. Also share videos with your friends and family, anyone that might like them. Thank you again, and visit my site cactusuncle.com for premium seed grown cactus and cuttings. Thanks.